What's up, y'all? It's your boy Vic Johnson from the Sacblacknation station. Hope you're having a good day, good week, good month, and a good year as you come in. Go ahead and hit that like, hit that share, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button if you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. Once again, hit that like, hit that share, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button if you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. This is the third video about stock flipping, the new side hustle. That's stock flipping, the new side hustle. And I told you that we were going to do weekly updates on how we're doing with stock flipping. And stock flipping is really all about finding a particular stock that's on sale on the stock market and riding that stock up until you make a profit that you are satisfied with. So that's pretty much what I do. I go and research a particular stock, one that I like and I think is on sale and that I can flip, meaning that I can take that stock, I can buy into that stock at under market at an under market price, and then I can ride that stock up and possibly sell it out that same day. Now I use Cash App and I use Robinhood for stock flipping. The reason that I do that is because Cash App will allow you to flip stocks 3 times in a 5-day period, and Robinhood would also allow you to flip stocks 3 times in a 5-day period. So I use those 2 platforms to flip my stocks. I think that you can have, depending on the number of stocks that you buy and how much you are liquid and you want to put in your portfolio that you want to manage, either on the Robinhood side or the Cash App side, you can make up to $100 to $1,000 a week doing this. I average about 100. That's all I want to do because I don't want to over leverage myself. I don't want to get into the $1,000 category, because I think personally I am more comfortable at a lower type of flip, and then I can sleep at night if I have to sit on a stock for more than one day, and I'm not too concerned because I'm not over leveraged into buying too much stock and putting too much money into the game. But some people, they're more comfortable with that. Just depends on the person. Me personally, if I make $100 a week flipping stocks part-time, I'm fine. I can do that from any place. I can do it while I'm doing other side hustles. I don't have to be in one particular place totally fixated on flipping stocks. I can do it anywhere. I just pretty much research the stock that I want to flip, go ahead and purchase the stock that I want to flip, and then I actually wait for it to go up to a certain level that I am comfortable with, and then I sell out of my stock. I make my profit, and then I just do the whole process all over again. That's pretty much simple and plain, and that's what I do. I don't tell you what to do. I just tell you what I do. And a lot of people, they actually think that they have to have an awful lot of money to flip stocks. That's not true either, because on Cash App you can actually get into micro stocks. You can actually buy into a stock. Let's say that Amazon was a $3,200 stock. You can actually buy a $200 purchase of a $3,200 stock. You can actually buy a micro piece of that stock and get in the stock market that way. Check that out. Look it up. I do it personally. I might not want to spend $3,200 on one piece of Amazon. I might say, well, okay, I don't want to buy the whole thing. I want to buy probably about $200, $300, $400 worth of Amazon, and I will ride the wave. Now I don't get the total the total profit from owning the whole stock, but I do get a piece of it as the stock goes up, and I can still flip the stock, sell it out, just as if I owned the whole share of the stock. So check that out as well. You can buy a micro piece, a micro share of a stock. You don't have to buy the whole piece of the stock, and so you don't need thousands and thousands of dollars. You can actually get in with a lot lower number of money to buy into a stock. So check that out as well. I do that all the time. So, well, this is the third week, so I'll let you guys know. Last time that we talked, about a week ago, our account was right around 3,600. So we'll just kind of show you guys where we are. At this point, I'm not going to put any more money into flipping on the Cash App side because it's easier to show our progression. So we went in right about 3,500, and this is week 3. So we'll show you where we at on week 3 with Cash App and how we're doing with stock flipping. Now, right now, as you can see, this amount of money is not in play right now. We just got it on reserve for when we decide that we want to get into more stock. So that's $3,414 that we don't have in play. Remember, we started with 3,500. We started with 3,500, and right now, not in play, we have 3414. So 3414 not in play. We'll show you what is in play. We got about $300 in play. You put those two together, then you got $3,714. So that means that we started with 3,500 and now we're at 3,714. This around $300 right now that you're looking at that's in play is with Amazon. So right now it's the shopping season, I think, and this is actually a micro buy-in. This is not Amazon is at $3,200 a share right now. This is a micro buy-in, so I only bought $300 worth of Amazon stock, and I didn't buy the whole share. The whole share is $3,200. So this is actually a micro purchase. So like I told you, you don't need all that money. You can actually get in and buy a micro share of Amazon. If Amazon happens to go up, I can actually make some money off of Amazon. Right now, I bought $300 worth. It went down like 80 something cents. I'm not really concerned with that. I can sit on Amazon. Amazon is a monster, and if it happens to make some money, then we'll ride that wave up, and then we'll just go ahead and sell out of that stock. So that's what I wanted to show you guys up on the Cash App side of things. Yes, we are up. We are up about $200 in about 3 weeks. In about 3 weeks, we're up $200. So that's not too bad. I'll live with that, and then we'll show you what we're doing on the Robinhood side after a month. And we've been doing this for about a month of flipping stocks with Cash App and flipping stocks with Robinhood. So let me show you Robinhood and what we're doing here after a month of flipping stocks with Robinhood. If you come in here, and you'll see it's about $1,600 in this account. Like I said, I'm not going to put any more money in these accounts. I'm just going to flip stocks and make money that way. After a month, you can see there is $9,700 up. $9,700 up on the positive side. So the two accounts put together is right about 300, and we're 3 weeks deep. So that's right about what I want to do. I want to make about $100 a week flipping stocks. If you are interested in flipping stocks, there's going to be a link below. You can go get the book. It's called Stock Flipping, the New Side Hustle. That's Stock Flipping, the New Side Hustle. And you will get a great understanding of what it is that we're talking about. I just gave you pretty much the overview of what it's all about. You want to get a little bit more in depth, then go ahead and check out Stock Flipping, the New Side Hustle. You need to get into it. You need to understand how it works, and you need to be adding that as part of your wealth building. You only do, I particularly, like I said, I only do this about 4 or 5 times a week. It takes a very short time to do. You can do it anywhere, just as long as you have an internet connection. Maybe you have a phone, you have a laptop, you can do it anywhere. It really does not matter. So get in that game, check that out. If you want to know more about it, like I said, there's a link below. You just click on that link. It'll take you to the book, Stock Flipping, the New Side Hustle. And if you want to have some more information from me, just go ahead and hit me up at sacblacknation@gmail.com. That's sacblacknation@gmail.com. Hit me up. We can talk about it. And if you need the book, I'll shoot you the link to the book. You want to talk more about it, we can do it so as well. Other than that, man, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you have a great Christmas. And I hope that you guys add stock flipping as a part of your side hustle. It's a real cool thing to do. Do it part time. You can do it 6 times, like I said, 3 times on the Robinhood side, 3 times on the Cash App side, and hey, get yourself well rounded. Circle of seven, 7 different sources of income. Now I'm gonna get out of here. Remember that civil liberties without civil dollars is nonsense. You're only earning and learning in life. You only lose when you don't try. And there's lessons and blessings in life. So you please stay blessed. If you love what we got to say here at the Sac Black Nation, you are you're learning something from the content that we release, go ahead and please go ahead and subscribe to the Sac Black Nation. Grow this platform, blow it up all the way to the top. We're not trying to take nothing from you. We're trying to get everything to you. So that's what's up, man. I'm gonna see you guys in another week when I'll let you guys know how we doing with stock flipping, and that'll be episode number 4. And yeah, so have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm out. Peace.